Okay, here we go. You can hear the other ones going off too. This is the carbon monoxide side of the alarm. There you go. Now we have to. Do we have to change the battery?
No.
Okay. You can hear the other ones over there going off. Alarm number 2. You should hear the other ones go off too. There you go. To the next alarm. Alarm number 3. Now this one should do it.
Hit it again.
Hit it again. Okay. Okay, let's hit it again. That one's done. Okay, we listened to the other ones, so those work. So I'm just gonna do mine for fun. So let's do mine. Here we go. There, all those go. Yep, so that works. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all in the next one. Bonus alarm test. That one works. Now let's do this one. Let me take the battery of this one to insert into the other one. There we go. Let's put this one in. Okay. Do this one now. But speaker might be busted on this one. I might have to do some repair on this one. So I might repair it now, so I'll get back to you guys when I fix it. Because it runs. Well, after fixing the plate that makes the beeping noise, now it works. Yep. That's about it. There actually is one more in the garage I'm going to do quickly. It's a sad day for this one. Here's the one in the garage, because we're going to give it its last run for about a few years. Well, she is going to be taken down today, and she's going to be put into my smoke alarm collection of 3. I used to have like 5 of them, but I don't know where they went. So let's give this thing its last run, its last sound off. Where's it at? Okay. I'm going to put the battery in, and we'll be back. Well, here she is. It's a first alert. It's very dusty. Let's see if you can find the date. Yeah, I think this thing was probably made in like probably the 90s. So let's start it. Let's turn it on. Okay, come on, turn on. Maybe it is dead. Let's see. It'll pop off the top. Yeah, okay. Let's push the button, and we should hear a noise. I should probably put this over here. Let's go. Yep, she works. See if it can. There it goes. I just have to hold it down pretty hard to test this thing. This is probably why I was. Yeah, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later.
Yeah.